Good medical morning. Medical face masks are often used during flu season or a virus outbreak, and photos of people wearing them have come to be a defining symbol during a health scare. Most people wear surgical, dust, or homemade masks, while healthcare workers wear stronger masks that are individually fitted. Experts say masks can be effective in preventing the spread of most respiratory diseases that are transmitted through droplets in the air or on surfaces. However, like most preventative measures, it is not a catch-all solution. In January 2020, authorities had encouraged everyone to wear face masks, even as health experts work to determine how exactly viruses spread. Demand for face masks skyrocketed in China, forcing Chinese face mask manufacturers to reopen factories during the Lunar New Year holiday break. At first, in the US, experts said wearing a mask was not necessary. Sources like the Wall Street Journal in particular had articles that discouraged the use of face masks for the general public. It's safe to say that the public has done a 180 on that one.
For example, coughing, speaking, or sneezing, even if those people were not exhibiting symptoms. In light of this new evidence, CDC recommends and the task force recommends wearing cloth face coverings in public settings where other social distancing measures are difficult to maintain.
So the consensus is that using a face mask combined with good hygiene practices can be a great way to help limit your exposure. And if you're sick but not showing symptoms yet, it can help prevent you from spreading disease to others. So speaking of good hygiene practices, check out these latex-free gloves on Amazon. I'll put a link below. They're selling like hotcakes, so get them while they last. And now, a word about Rest More, my favorite sleep supplement.
Rest More, I found, has been great for me to fall asleep quickly in a really natural, gentle, mild way. I don't have the same problems that I do with prescription sleep medicine, being groggy the next morning. With Rest More, I'm able to fall asleep fast, stay asleep all night, and then when I wake up the next morning, I have a ton of energy and I'm well rested and ready to take on the day. Highly recommend Rest More. You should go check it out.
Rest More helps you obtain natural sleep without all the side effects of prescription or over-the-counter medication. It's all natural and safe to use every night. So what are you waiting for? Try Rest More today and start getting a full night's sleep.